Hey friends, I haven't done a hair video for you in quite a while, so I thought today would be a great opportunity to give you my 5 tips for curling your hair. Tip number 1 is to prepare your hair. I like to use a heat shield to keep my hair protected from the extreme heat and hot temperatures that comes on most heating wands. I feel like Rival Heat Shield does a great job protecting my hair, and it helps it hold in that curl just a little bit better. After applying that heat protecting spray, I like to run a brush through my hair. And then for tip number 2 is we want to partition and separate different sections of our hair so it's easier to curl without, having the top hair hanging on top of the bottom and pushing that curl out before it has time to really set. I like to use these awesome little clippies from Lange and just separate my hair into several sections and clip it out of the way like so. The next step is to get your tool ready. I'm using the Le Curl from Lange, and I love this great budget-friendly option. Temperature auto sets to 410 degrees, which is a great hot temperature for most hair types. I also love that it has this 360-degree swivel cord, so you don't get caught or wrapped up trying to deal with the cord while you're doing your hair. Tip number 4 is all about technique. For this wand, we want to make sure we are turning it upside down and that we're taking small sections of our hair and curling it away from our face. And then it's nice to hold a little bit of a tail out, first of all, so you don't burn your fingers, and second of all, it helps give it a more modern look. I then just take a strand at a time, and you don't need to curl all the way up to the base of your head, just, a couple inches away. Let it sit for 5 to 10 seconds, and then let the curl fall out. If you want your hair to stay curled for a maximum amount of time, like I'm talking days on end, you want to make sure you don't touch that hair while it's cooling. Allowing it to come to room temperature before combing it out with your fingers is going to give you the best results. Now that my hair has totally cooled, I can use my fingers to break apart the curls and then spritz in a little bit of hairspray, and these curls will seriously last me for 3 or 4 days. Comment with the phrase hair products and I'll be sure to get you that link. Be sure to follow for more basic beauty tips and content.